Step 1. Installation of wheels and legs. Connect 5 chair leg tubes to the base using 5M5 screws. Then insert the wheels into the chair legs. Insert the gas lift into the middle hole of the chair base. Step 2. Installation of the mechanism. Connect the seat cushion to the mechanism using 4 M6x20 screws and 6mm washers, ensuring proper front-to-back alignment. Step 3. Installation of seat back. Attach the backrest to the seat cushion using 3 M8 screws and 8mm washers. Step 4. Attaching the chair. Align the upper half of the chair with the gas lift and insert it. Step 5. Installation of handrails. Connect the armrest to the backrest using 2 M8x45 screws, spring washers and 10mm washers. Press armrest caps into the screw holes, differentiating between left and right. Step 6. Installation of headrests. Insert the headrest into the backrest to complete the chair assembly.